In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export to PDF in Monday.com, step by step. Whether you need to share a board with a client, send a report to your manager, or simply keep a clean offline copy of your work, exporting to PDF is one of the most useful features you can use. I'll walk you through two simple methods. The first method uses your browser's built-in Print to PDF feature, and the second method uses the dashboard export option inside Monday.com. Both are quick and easy, so you can choose the one that works best for your situation. Make sure to watch until the end so you know when to use each method. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first method is using your browser's built-in Print to PDF feature. This works great if you want to export a specific board exactly as you see it on your screen. Start by opening Monday.com and navigating to the board you want to export. Make sure the board is fully loaded and customize the way you want it to appear in the PDF. For example, adjust your column widths, apply any filters you need, and collapse or expand groups depending on what you want included in the final document. Once your board looks right, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. This opens your browser's print preview window. You'll now see a preview of how the board will look when printed. In the Destination or Printer drop-down menu, select Save as PDF. This is important because by default, your browser might try to send the document to a physical printer. After selecting Save as PDF, review the layout settings. You can adjust options like layout orientation, margins, and scale. If your board is wide with many columns, switching to landscape orientation usually makes it more readable. Take a moment to scroll through the preview and make sure everything looks correct. If something doesn't look right, close the print window, adjust your board view, and press Ctrl+P or Command+P again. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Save. Choose where you want to store the file on your computer, rename it if needed, and confirm. Just like that, you've exported your Monday.com board as a PDF using your browser. Now let's look at the second method, which is using the built-in Export to PDF option from a dashboard. This method is ideal if you're creating reports with charts, widgets, and summarized data. Start by opening your Monday.com dashboard. If you don't already have one set up, you'll need to create a dashboard and connect it to the relevant boards. Dashboards are great for visual summaries, including charts, numbers, timelines, and workload views. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an Export button. Click on that. From the drop-down menu, choose Export to PDF. Monday.com will automatically generate a PDF version of your dashboard, including the widgets and data currently displayed. Depending on the size and complexity of your dashboard, this may take a few seconds. After the file is generated, it will download directly to your computer. Open it to review the formatting and confirm everything appears the way you expect. If needed, you can go back to your dashboard, resize widgets, adjust layouts, or filter data differently before exporting again. The key difference between these two methods is simple. Use the browser Print to PDF option when you want to export a specific board view. Use the dashboard Export to PDF option when you want a more visual, report-style summary. And that's it. Now you know two easy ways to export to PDF in Monday.com. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.